I have 3 important home maintenance tips for you. Summertime's here now, so we want to make sure that we do these 3 things, whether we're looking to sell or just keep our house in tip-top shape, which ensures its highest value. Number 1 thing, make sure your vents are open around your foundation. As it gets hot, if they're closed, it's going to create a humid situation, which will make for mold and other things to grow in there. So we don't want that. The second thing, clear all the branches away from your roof and make sure that you don't have any of them touching, because it can damage your roof, it can damage your siding or your gutters. So make sure to keep those trimmed and clear. Then the third thing, if you have a crawl space, make sure that you don't have any water or leaks that are happening in the crawl space. If you don't have a crawl space, a lot of the new construction now doesn't, make sure that you're grading away the dirt from the side of your house so that the water slopes away when it rains or it snows. Those are my 3 tips for you. If I can help you or anyone you know with their real estate investments, my contact info is below. Thanks for watching.